Hey, what is up guys? Ihsan here. Welcome back. So this is our first real Python topic on variables and assignment. So before we get started, if you guys look at your notebook, look at your top right, you may see this select kernel. Now, if it's not automatically picking up on your environment like this, you just have to press on it, select kernel, press, select another kernel, Python environments. Now, I think you guys will probably only have one that you guys install, which is the 3.14 dot something. So you guys can just press on that and it will be fixed. Yeah, so for mine, I'll just click 3.137 and let's get back to it. So a variable is honestly the simplest idea in all of programming. So let's not try to overcomplicate it, yeah? So a variable is basically like a labeled box. You put a value inside the box, you stick a label on the front, and now you can grab that value anytime just using the label. So for example, here it is, age is equals to 20. Now that single line creates a box and puts the number 20 inside it and labels it age. Then print age says, show me what's inside the box labeled age. And there it is, 20. I'll run it for you, see? 20, that's the output. Now, the most important thing on this whole screen is that equal sign, this equal sign here. So it's not like math. In math, equal means these two sides are the same. In Python, equal means store or assign. So, and you try to read it right to left. So take the value on the right, 20, and put it in a box on the left, age. So right to left, store, and try to get that one idea, and the rest should be quite easy. So it works for text too. As you may see here, this is a number, right? But these two, John and Singapore, are text. So here, name is equals to John. This is a string, which you guys will learn later. And city equals to Singapore. Two boxes, two labels, and two values. And what if we print them both? Both of them will come out. You can also print it together like this, using a comma and city. You just play it again. John Singapore, now it's in the same line. Now, what can you call your variables? A few rules Python actually enforces is that letters, numbers, and underscores only. You can't start with a number, no spaces, and it's case sensitive. So little a for age and a big A age are two different boxes. So like age is equals to 10 and age is equals to 8 are two different variables, okay? So, but beyond the rules, there's also like a good style. So notice how I wrote first name and number of students. They're both lowercase and they're both joined by underscores. This is what you call snake case. And it's just what normal like good Python code looks like. And the name describes what's inside it as well. So total price, for example, like total price is equals to 80. So like the name describes it, tells you what it holds. Like for example, if I put it like TP instead, like TP equals to 10, nobody knows because it's gonna be total price. So be kind to future you, and honestly, good names make like Copilot or any AI agent give you better suggestions as well. So here's something that surprises people. A variable can change, and unlike other lower level languages, Python doesn't have the concept of mutability. So you can just change the value inside it as you please. So let's see, let's comment this out first. So right now score is 10, but if you uncomment it and reassign the variable score to the value of 25, your output will be 25. So basically the box kind of get a new value and the newest value wins. The old one is just gone. That's totally normal and you'll do this every time. See, 25. And this is the whole point of variables, which is you have to reuse them. I store price and quantity once here, then I can use them anywhere. So price times quantity gives 15. So if the price changes, say I change it to 10, all right, say 5, price is equals to 10, and price quantity, you get 30, so it's 10 times 3. So I can change it in one place and everything that uses it kind of updates it automatically. So that's why we bother naming things instead of just typing numbers everywhere. So in this short series, I'll be giving you many chances to do it yourself. After chapter 1 and chapter 2, there'll be sort of like in-class exercises for you to try. And the solution will be provided to you below, but I would really want you to do it on your own first and only check against the solution when you're done or you're really stuck. Now, if you're if you don't understand any of the concepts or you're stuck on a solution or you don't understand on the solution at all, you can just hit me up on Telegram and I'll probably reply you in like minutes or hours. Yeah, it's quite chill, so you can just like text me. Yep, so just a quick recap. A variable is a label box. The equal sign stores a value or assigns a value to a variable. You read it from right to left, and you use clear snake case names to name your variables. And importantly, variables can be reassigned with the newest value winning. All right, so next time, the different kinds of values you can put in those boxes, data types. So I'll see you there.